Hey beautiful souls, I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. In today's video, we are making a dairy-free Jamaican cocoa bread with curry, potato, and veggies. So good, you guys. Me and Mama and Sissy absolutely enjoyed this. So let's get into the recipe. You're going to go ahead and start mixing your dough. All right, in a large bowl, you're going to mix your flour, your sugar, your salt. You're going to add your yeast mixture, warm water, an egg, coconut oil or vegetable oil, and coconut milk or almond milk. You're going to go ahead and make your dough, knead that on up. Now to activate your yeast, all you do in a small bowl, you combine 1/4 cup of warm water, a pinch of sugar, and your yeast, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. And you only need about 2.5 teaspoons of active dry yeast. All right, and that's what helps it rise and helps it have a nice fluffy texture. And then once you knead your dough for about 8 to 10 minutes, you're going to go ahead and baste that in oil, put it in an oil container, pop that somewhere warm for about an hour, cover it up. Boil some potato in salt water and set that to the side. Then in a pot, you're going to add some seasonings, curry powder, allspice, clove, salt, black pepper, thyme. And you're going to mix that into diced onions and Scotch bonnet pepper. Right, we're bringing our curry seasonings up front and center with those flavors. Saute that up. Then you're going to add mixed vegetables. I added frozen mixed vegetables, a little bit of coconut milk, some lime juice. Give that a mix. We're developing flavor here. This is going to be so good. And the nice, soft, and fluffy cocoa bread that has a little bit of sweetness in it. So good. Go ahead and mix in your boiled potato. Make sure your water is salted. I added some cilantro. I love cilantro. All right, just absolutely love it. And now check out the dough. It has risen so beautifully. All right, go ahead and punch that bad boy up. Separate it into about 8 pieces. You could do 8 to 10 balls. It depends on how big you want your cocoa bread. And then we're gonna roll each one into a 6 to 7 inch circle. I think I did about each one 6-inch circle. So easy to make, and I hope I mentioned that this was the dairy-free version. Instead of using milk, I used the coconut milk. And yeah. All right, gonna go ahead and add 2 spoonfuls of your curry, potato, and veggies mixture. I'm using a fork this time to press it down, the edges. So you're gonna add your mixture, fold it over, and press down the edges with a fork. Voila. Put that on oiled parchment paper. Get those all done. And then I decided to brush mine with seasoned oil. So I just added some seasonings to oil and brushed each filled cocoa bread with that before popping it in the oven. We're actually going to let this rise for 10 to 15 minutes. You're going to cover it and let it rise again. And then once it rises, you're going to cook it in the oven on 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes until golden brown and beautiful, just like this. These came out so good. You will not be sorry for making this recipe, all right, at all. So good, so soft, so fluffy, so flavorful. You can taste the little bit of clove, the allspice, the curry powder. The spices blend very well with the sweetness of the cocoa bread, and then you have the little bit of sweetness from the coconut milk. Absolutely delicious. And might I add that these are stuffed beautifully. Yes, get into it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out the description box where I will have the full recipe. And now let's get into what Mama thinks of this pastry.
Cheers. I can't. That was funny. That is very good.
Really, really good. All the goodness is right here. Really, really good.
I like the dough is so light and fluffy with a little bit of sweetness, so it goes really good with the spices that's in there.
When Mama said it's good, finger licking good.
All right, that's it. That's all. God bless. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Let me know down in the comments if you would make this. It's good, and the great thing about it, you can stuff this with anything. So I'm gonna have more videos of different things. I'm gonna stuff this with seafood, meat, all that good stuff.
Look at all that goodness. You see that?
And it's stuffed so good, right? It's stuffed good.
All right, sauce is good too.
Peace.